For powerful yogurts that can strengthen your legs and relieve arthritis naturally, joint stiffness, weak legs, and knee discomfort are often seen as inevitable parts of aging. Yet growing research suggests that diet, specifically the right type of yogurt, may help reduce inflammation, protect joints, and restore mobility. Far from being just a light snack, certain yogurts are nutrient-dense, probiotic-rich, and recommended by health professionals for seniors seeking strength, flexibility, and pain relief. In this article, we explore 4 powerful types of yogurt that not only support joint health but may also boost leg strength naturally. The final option on this list is rarely discussed, but it has remarkable potential for rebuilding connective tissues and easing age-related stiffness. 1. Greek yogurt, the protein powerhouse for muscle and joint support. Greek yogurt is much more than a creamy snack. It is one of the most nutrient-rich superfoods for adults over 50. Compared to regular yogurt, it contains nearly double the protein, with 1 cup providing up to 20 grams of high-quality protein. This is critical because muscle mass naturally declines with age, particularly in the legs and hips. Adequate protein intake helps slow this loss, rebuilds muscle, and supports stability essential for walking, balance, and fall prevention. Beyond protein, Greek yogurt is rich in calcium, vitamin D, and probiotics, all of which are important for joint and bone health. Probiotics in particular have been shown to reduce markers of inflammation such as C-reactive protein, easing arthritis symptoms from within. Greek yogurt is also versatile. It can be blended into smoothies, swapped for sour cream, or enjoyed with nuts and berries. Affordable and easy to find, it offers a simple daily way to fuel muscles and combat inflammation. 2. Turmeric-infused yogurt, a natural anti-inflammatory remedy. When yogurt is paired with turmeric, it transforms into a functional food with strong medicinal value. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most studied natural compounds for its anti-inflammatory properties. Research shows curcumin may reduce joint pain, improve mobility, and slow arthritis progression. However, curcumin is fat-soluble and poorly absorbed on its own. Full-fat yogurt provides the ideal medium for better absorption, while probiotics further enhance gut health, an important factor in controlling chronic inflammation and autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. For maximum benefit, add a pinch of black pepper to turmeric yogurt as it enhances the body's ability to absorb curcumin. Enjoy it sweet with honey and cinnamon, or savory as a dip or dressing. This simple, inexpensive recipe can provide a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers without harmful side effects. 3. Omega-3 fortified yogurt, natural lubrication for stiff joints. Persistent stiffness, grinding knees, and reduced flexibility are often signs of cartilage or an insufficient joint lubrication. Omega-3 fortified yogurt directly addresses these issues. Enriched with omega-3 fatty acids such as EPA and DHA found in fish, flax, and walnuts. This yogurt combats inflammation at the cellular level. Omega-3 help reduce swelling, protect cartilage from breakdown, and improve the production of synovial fluid, the natural lubricant that allows joints to move smoothly. When combined with probiotics and calcium in yogurt. Omega-3s deliver a dual benefit, gut health support and systemic anti-inflammatory action. This results in reduced pain, smoother movement, and stronger joints. Omega-3 fortified yogurts are now available from health-conscious brands, but you can also make your own at home by stirring flaxseed oil, chia seeds, or fish oil into plain yogurt. This small addition may dramatically improve morning stiffness and mobility. 4. Collagen-boosting yogurt, rebuilding connective tissue naturally. The most unique and often overlooked option is collagen-boosting yogurt, designed specifically to support connective tissues such as cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body and the structural framework of joints, but its natural production declines with age, often leading to stiffness, thinning cartilage, and pain. Collagen-enhanced yogurts are fortified with nutrients like vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis and protection against oxidative stress. Zinc supports tissue repair and strengthens collagen fibers. Amino acids, glycine, proline, hydroxyproline, the building blocks of collagen. Collagen peptides, hydrolyzed forms that are easily absorbed by the body. Together, these nutrients help regenerate joint cushioning, improve flexibility, and reduce pain. Clinical studies show that daily collagen supplementation may relieve osteoarthritis discomfort, improve cartilage thickness, and enhance mobility in weight-bearing joints like the knees and hips. Collagen-boosting yogurt can be purchased from specialty brands, or you can prepare it at home by mixing. 1 cup plain Greek yogurt. 1 scoop unflavored collagen powder. 1/2 cup vitamin C-rich berries, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds. This combination delivers protein, collagen, vitamin C, and zinc in one delicious, functional meal. Final thoughts: aging does not have to mean weakness, stiffness, or daily pain. By incorporating these 4 types of yogurt into your diet: Greek yogurt, turmeric-infused yogurt, omega-3 fortified yogurt, and collagen-boosting yogurt, you can actively support muscle strength, joint lubrication, and connective tissue repair. Asterisk: these yogurts are more than snacks. They are powerful tools in the fight against arthritis and mobility decline. With consistent use, they may help you walk farther, move more freely, and enjoy life without the constant burden of joint discomfort. Asterisk: instead of relying only on pain medications, consider adding these yogurts to your daily routine and experience the benefits from the inside out.